Welcome back friends, this is the 8th tutorial of the series. Today we are going to learn about conditional blocks. What does it mean? It checks for the condition given and execute means run the code accordingly. Okay, so first it will check the condition supplied by the user. Based on the condition it will run your code. Fine. In Scratch, conditional blocks are of two types. One is if then block, second is if then else block. On the right side you can see this is your if then block and the second one is if then else block. How if then block runs or work, let us try and understand. First, if is there, then here we will write the condition. If the condition is true, whatever is written inside this space, that code will run. Okay. If the condition is false, it will jump to the code next to the if then block. Understood? Now try and understand if then else block. What it will do, first if is there, then here the condition will come. Then if the condition is true, the code written inside this space, I will write 1 here, space 1, that will be executed, that will run. If the condition is false, it will jump to the else part, it will skip this if part, and the code written inside the second space will be executed. I'll repeat, if the condition is true, the code written inside the space 1 will be executed. But if the condition is false, it will skip the first part, the code written inside the space 1. It will skip that, it will jump to the else part, and the code written inside the space 2 will be executed if the condition turns out to be false. So let us try and understand with an example. Here I will just add some of the sprite. I'll just remove this cat. I'll go to the library by clicking the magnifying glass. Here I'll choose, suppose I'll choose this butterfly 1, and I just want one more sprite, so again I'll click on the magnifying glass and I'll choose this button 5. Okay, let me position it properly. Yes. Now let me develop the code for this. Then go to the controls block category. From the control block palette, drag and drop if then else block, put it inside. After if, I need to add the condition. For that I'll go to sensing block category. From the sensing block palette, I'll drag and drop touching mouse pointer and I'll snap it just after if. In place of mouse pointer, I'll change it to button 5. Fine. Now if touching button 5 means if butterfly 1 touches the butterfly, then what I want it to move 10 steps, and then I'll go to looks block category. From the looks block palette, I'll just drag and drop say hello for 2 seconds block. In place of hello, I'll write oops, I have touched the danger sign. You can write the message according to your choice. I'm doing as per my convenience. In place of 2 seconds, I can change the number for how many seconds I want to display that message. So I wanted to display it for 7 seconds. Then in the else part, I will just add one more block. In the else part, I need to put it. Let me just remove these 2 blocks. Here I want this, and here I want this. In place of hello, I just want I am saved till now. Okay, so let me explain you the code. What I've written, if the condition is touching button 5, right? If the butterfly 1 is touching the button fly, then means if this condition is true, then it will come to the code written inside the space 1 where it is written move 10 step. If this condition is true, my sprite butterfly 1 will move 10 steps on the right hand side and it will display the message, say, oops, I have touched the danger sign, right? It will display the message, I have touched the danger sign. If touching button 5 comes out to be false, means if it has not touched the button 5, it will display the message, it will come to the else part, it will skip the if part and it will display the message, I am safe till now. And above that, let me just add one more block. I'll go to events block category and I will add when this sprite click. This is a hat block which always come on the top. So I'll just add this on the top of the code. As you wear your cap or hat on your head, right? Likewise, it will come as the head of your code. So it will always appear on the top. So when this sprite clicked, add it at the top. Now when I touch the sprite, when I click the sprite, this code will run. You just see. I am safe till now because it has not touched, right? So it is executing the else part. I am safe till now. It is executing the else part again. I am safe till now. Here also I need to add move 10 steps. Just wait. Go to the motion block category. Move 10 steps. I need to add inside the else part also, right? When it will move, then and only sometime it will touch. So you will get the message, I touched that also, right? So let me run this code. I'm safe till now. It is moving 10 step and displaying the message. I'm safe till now. It is displaying the message and moving 10 step. I'm safe till now. It is doing the same. Now you will see. Now it has touched. So it is executing the if part. It is written when it touches the button 5, it will display that message. Oops, I have touched the danger sign. Again it is touching, so it is displaying this message. Oops, I have touched. Oops, I have touched. Oops, I have touched. Oops, I have touched. Same message it will display. When it will not touch, it will display different message. See, now it is not touching, it is displaying I am safe till now. I hope you understood. So if you like this video, friends, please like, subscribe, share to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day.